All right, you're alive. Oh, alive. Right. So let's see what we're gonna do. That's gonna be a short live. So I did some upgrading in my phone. See how it works, and I implement some new features. I don't know why my machine is slow. But yeah, so I changed my did some upgrade on phone, but that's the Roamie. And you can see now we have a button for voice. Something that terminals don't have here. You can see terminals that my backup where I connect with the SSH. They don't have thing now. Why? But they don't have custom keyboard, and then they don't allow. Also, we use audio by default. But then I had some options to do audio, and the lazy one and the easy one was like putting that input here, that input, and allowing you typing here or using voice like that. You can use voice, and because I think it's in Portuguese here, they don't know if it's gonna recognize. Okay, they recognize, so that's awesome. And then after you start, after you talk, you can just send. That's gonna go to the terminal. The stuff here. Something annoying about the terminals I was using SSH is I hadn't the how to spell that, the corrector here. I don't know how to spell that. The grammar, the hinting. I think it's suggestion. Basically, if I tried type like because, uh, normally I mistype, and I like to use the corrector here. All right. Also, I did some zoom in and zoom out. Uh, I want to use swipe, like, dragging with the fingers, but it didn't work. I don't want to waste too much time on that. And also, I try implementing scrolling, but like it's not working. Scrolling. Right. So something I'd add to is the startup command. So if you go to edit, you see startup commands that open the Tmux Go, right? So it's easily to sync. For example, that's the Go. So if you go here in Go, I also have the Go here. If you go to C3, I have C3 in Tmux here. That's very nice, and it's a good way to easily see what's the Tmux version. Right. So here it's also showing more stuff than. By the way, why they? That's the on the new bug. Yeah. Sometimes I want to change a lot of stuff to change. Like that one is too big. Be our font here, and I was trying. Oh, that's fixed. Nice. Yeah. So now I have some call offline, a new feature too, to see if the device is offline online. That should be online, but maybe because I need to log out to log in again. So let's try do that. And I also add a new stuff. See a lot of stuff for alternative for VPN, because in iOS I need a special uh, development account deploy VPN, and they take some time. And VPN also, it's we add another layer of the complexity, and for like low connections, that can be a problem. So people want to have more fast connection machine. Just using reverse, you're gonna be more feasible, right? And then we have, yeah, I think that for now for updates. Let's try test that. Let's go here. If we open the YouTube here to see if it's yet. My audio it looks like it's working. Let's see here. Backup. You can see. Right. I see one people online. But there I don't see. It's myself. Okay. Right, all right, all right. So let's run the Roamie. We have now the tunnel. Tunnel. We have status. Node authenticated. Please run login. Let's go. Let's run a logout. To be sudo. Type beautiful password. They did some warning. Fail to remote device from server. Server return for found. Basically, probably my device is not there anymore. Let me copy that. Paste here. Let more employer or employee fix. Let's do it. Nice. Very fast. Right. 5 minutes to the code. I'm gonna disconnect that account. Then again. Oof. I'll go automatic. It's 10 seconds. Okay, looks like they 10, but going here anymore. Things broke. Okay. Oops. Go have the device ID. Go tunnel. Not tunnel. I think now. Okay, so copy here. Logged out from has not been detected. The device was removed from the service or as credentials for that process. So that and the device and Flutter app is not showing then that it's that, that it did already. Right. So like status here. Something I miss sometimes doing vibe coding. It's do the normal stuff. For example, I want to test this device endpoint. Cannot do that right now. That's the I miss. Also, database it's inside Docker, it's inside the server. I wonder. I want to see that I can, right? If I go to my that's my server, and if I go to VPN, create a new project, I have database. What's the best database viewer? Directory wrap database with dynamic API provides intent. They have convex. It's open source. They should be using convex. I love it to do. They have a login. If it's too much consuming process, access too much. And to see, I could, yeah, like web-based database management. Me web database management. Okay, so the alternative I have it's I can create a tunnel or oh that looks cool. That should like the powerful that cool. That's the tables like a notion, right? It's too much. They should be migrating to when you run ROM login. Did you scan the QR code? Yes, yeah. Are you logged in the email account that you? Yes. Are you logged in the app with this account that you? I here. Go. Don't know. Hmm. The best way. I think the best way to check that it's asking to. Oh, it already did. Let me check the database to verify. Yes. have databases, devices. There's some bugs. Oh, we have Zakis. Right. Wait, where is the database? I cannot see the... Okay. The database is device out challenges. That's I did now. No, that one that I did now. That's my challenge. Challenge. I found the challenge showed that your device was approved, but the following is new. I mean, the WaterGuard device was never out registered. Okay, but the device don't. Perfect. I found the root cause. The challenge has public keys, username approved by, but it's never registered. Means the author signs the approval. Let's check the server. Root cause found. Ah, huh. Log shows exactly error. Faulty authorized device, faulty create device, column header or relation device do not exist. The production database is missing the hardware ID type column. Yeah, that's the new one stuff I added. So they added in 4-way. So okay, production database missing migration. Oh, they forgot to run the migration. The roaming server program should be running the migration already. It's already configured to do so. Configure. So I think he miss hi in the chat if you understand English or I talk in Portuguese. Right. Check this application. Right, the server agreement tab. Let's go start it. If they run. Okay, that if you expand here, we're gonna see 11. Found the migration 10 failed during deployment. 10 failed. Migration tried to parse existing device, but on device has no standard format that breaks the parsing. Let me check. Yeah, I see. Try to do the migration, but migration failed because the existing device is a case do not follow the expected format. Because the oh my goodness. I said to him to use other. Yeah, that's why I don't like to do that and buy stuff. That's the point. Parsed header ID becomes air locale 9 share expecting var root call immigration assuming all device follow the format but device use raw roast name. Option 1, please column size recommended simple and safe. Change option 2, fix device name first, more complex. Manually delete the program device to follow the format. Start server to try migration. Yeah, option 2. In fact, I should be like deleting all devices and try again. Yeah. Equate the database and the table. The table and let's start crash. Also, let's fix the. Also, let me know what need the thread. Stop using. Start saying the data individually. That is better. Let me go log out here. I still having the problem. See if you're gonna press start, fix truncate device production with cascade delete tape, restart server migration, proceed, test CLI login. Should be a, I did the test and the test passed because they created a clean database. But when they try applying production, that broke. So we should have a way to test in production without changing production. So we need to like copy, like clone the database. Can we? Also, the another problem is that we had the test in Docker locally for that, and that didn't catch because that started fresh. Then, and that was into production, it broke because of that. We should also be able to own the same environment that has, or be able to test in production. Yeah, it's collecting device name. Keep for back. Don't want to keep any names. Things. Backend changes needed. Update the register device API to accept instead parsing. Local doc problem. Local doc start fresh. Miss production testing. Keep to dumping production. Nice. Local dumping. Testing migration guys data. Mind the is they're gonna don't know. It works. Staging environment. Create a separate staging server with production DB clone. Test all migration in staging first. Deploy to production staging. Validation. The staging a good idea because basically we're gonna have server. It's a good idea if you run all inside new feature I can then I my my application for that one, and if that works I can just go production. Yeah, maybe in the future. See migration testing script that create a test data batching production pattern include edge cases not started run before ever deployed. Oh, okay. Let's let's think about that later, maybe. Yeah, that's it, something to decide later. Option E dollars introduce works. Etc. I'll answer now. Fixed. Here I deploy the volume scrolling half screen. Here pinch is doing nothing works. Nothing works only in running. I can call the error. There's two. Let's focus on the fixed immediate user. We starting that. Yeah. Here, let's see if we need to commit something. Commit push. So here they committed. No, they pushed. They they're planning for merge dev to main. Oh, it's clean. This is shit. If explain truncate device stable production. Start the server. Yeah, so device itself. Oh, that no make myself. Oh, that error times. Ah, it's because I did the logout, right? Nice. It's showing good. Oh, because they truncate the database. Hmm. Do I need to log in again? I have something. Right, migration succeed with no errors. Like try the columns. Try the column. All columns indexes are now in place. Proof the database is now ready. We can test CLI login. Right. Yeah. PVP. The API accepted as option. Now keeping sending. Remove device name from server and oh wait. No, thinking better. Skip. But without the send OS type e display of the device or device name. Hey boy. Here it already has. It's crazy. That new plane is take a lot. It's more fast now. Let's change dependent. Data APIs we really need device info. Data API servers by registered device to set. How is my usage? Terminal view its own terminal gesture handling, meaning the gesture locking 525 fixed volume with box with wrapped in tower scaffold box with the get sound. Here. Sorry, guys. Alright, problem. Here, wrap the entire texture figures with. I think it's he is it the hallucinate there. So that's a branch dev. That's a main branch. So branch. Already available. App type. Device. Device plus the give. It's the nice device name like. Even without plus. Device like. Okay. Oh, device plus. Let's go. Let's go. Here it's already fixed. Already deployed. Going to production. Device I test codecs to do stuff, and they found some problems. I asked to fix. Like they fixed with admin AUs, but that works. See, they found some box block. Go to chain. Worked for 1 minute. I did full admin access for Winnie Hologos in the field by adding admin with your lolly. Have been override. So both email. Refresh tokens now into fill back the helper. Let that server knowing. They finish. Clean up the twos. Clean up the two. What next? I should be. You're gonna ask something. On me, are you showing where? Need to run tests, share a summary before proceeding. Yeah, one. Run tests. I don't think this works. Here I see some hitball, very fish. Run analyze. Here. Uh, for you know, I am using the context 7MCP. Context 7, like MCP, see document. A lot of document. Here they have also Flutter, probably more than Flutter. So use the MCP, search for the documentation, we confirm the issues. Gesture arena confirm, triple gesture confirm. Nested they can block each other. Documentation should recognize simultaneously with the gesture. That's for iOS. Yes, allow me some like follow me. Right. Found issue. Also level. Right. Quite pre. Regarding the okay, let's deploy. So I was deploying via IP or Wi-Fi. Now I'm connected and wrong folder. That's something wrong. That folder. Normally, if I accept, okay, I have the VPN disconnected already. Version is not with in the version. The code explain why it's important or already base, but use store. Thinking a leftover like the feedback for service. Also flew to the other time. Okay. Oof. Clean. Okay, all testing passing. What's in the test? Test files, no test file. Where's the test gonna pass? We don't have tests. A fixed test failure. Middleware was applied to API. You want to fix movie automated biometric result. Wait, if the test is it means that using the tests be test leaves the test or test dots production is secure, protected. All API routes require API automate. What I change production would not change it. Set up only sub rule. Test check. Test function fix this test old rule. They have a test kernel server. They have a API test. Have tests biometric. Buy out middleware. Biometric other rule. It's creating it. For okay. Finding road path should follow test for success. New, it's okay. Here's the API. Check that. They have biometric. It's taken from database. Taking. Clean the to-dos. Running the new version on devices. Sign up. Sign in should be registering. Let's try then. Let's remove. Don't have errors here. Logs. Here. I can see device. Okay, I could. Yeah, let me wait. But I could just register. Oh, password. Not. Okay, but shake failed. Successfully. Multiple device return. Okay, empty. Device unless you send device test. You go in again. Okay. Devices again moved. One device. Did login. What one device? Compact. Error compact converter. Verify the device reaching the is here T active. T true. It's true. Okay. Why it's true there? It's offline here. I can see status active. It's active. OS typing rarely feels empty because the device name is just OS. Wrong. We should there. Also, it's missing it's missing because the IP is wrong. It's taking the IP2, but that's also it's 2. Twice. Out here. CLI. It is CLI. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. CLI don't have hardware. It have. Okay, complete structure. Sound sound in my phone. It's I could hear in headphone my computer because of the also the update we have now wallet here. Quick share. Um, there is a as recommend update the audio to the right. One device name as first device. B. DTLI to send instruct detect generated header. Yeah. Read device plugin don't send device in ask to check. No. Do B and make sure. Oh, geez. I want to. I want the create tunnel. I need to decide. I think the I think the ideal is tunnel by default by VPN. But then when they activate the VPN, deactivate it. Send some information for the server. They have to send some, and they connect. Be easy, but I don't know why it's struggling. Like me to present. Got news already implemented. Verified implementation requirements. Send device material. That's it. That's already. Device should lie. Problem is the device name. Trying to parse device name. I think for test 26 that's file vector. Oh, because it's here. V2. Maybe even that. Oh wait. Install Go. Okay. It's building. Okay. Take too much time. So fast. Oh no, it's already. The better rates. APK adding. No. And that devices. Two devices for each device. To enable API. Should Excellent. Compacting request. Time is required thinking to be enabled. Uh, have it's Tmux. Ultimate. Back to track. But I don't have vice branch. Thoughts. Eight. I think it's it. Maybe it's time to end the live because it's horny. I think he's trying to search. Ever try to search. Wait. That's not. Let me stay.